Well, you've got a lot of tools out there to help you learn about fees and expenses. Put up the FINRA website, would you? And let's take a look at that. This is the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. It's a really great resource that I use a lot. I use a lot of the information that they have. I'm going to have you move around on here a couple of times, but you should go to this website, and it has a tremendous amount of educational materials on it. It's finra.org. That's the website, finra.org. The Financial Industry Regulatory Authority is the regulating body for the financial services industry. And this website is loaded with a tremendous amount of information. Click on the investor right in the middle there where it says investors. Right on down there. Okay. When you get in here, there's a number of things I want you to take a look at, but let's go all the way up to the left-hand corner there, investor alerts. No, go down where it says protect yourself, up to the investor alerts. There we go. These are really great, and they're listed here alphabetically, starting with a number, 529 plans. Go ahead and just scroll the page slowly, and we can kind of take a look at these things here. Annuities and insurance, that's one of my pet peeves. I talk a lot about the concerns you need to know there. About bonds, we're going to talk about bonds a little bit more. Frauds and scams. By the way, stop right there and click on the first one, yes. This is a big hot item right now. Marijuana stocks are very big. And there's obviously a lot of shady stuff going on there. So if you don't want to watch, and you pardon the pun, your money go up into smoke, you might want to stay away from marijuana stocks. It's kind of dangerous. But just scroll on down there. This is great stuff. Now, what you're going to get from FINRA is not something that says don't buy marijuana stocks or don't buy annuities. They don't give you advice. What they do with all of these investor alerts is give you information so that you can then make a smart decision. It'll tell you the right questions to ask when someone suggests that you make a particular investment, and you're then able to kind of prepare yourself to ask the right questions that will answer. You'll find out the kind of information that you're seeking. So I'm a big fan of FINRA, and these investor alerts are really a wonderful source. Go back up to the all the way up to the top, if you would. See if I can find the other spot in here. One of the things they have on here, and it's not important that we find it, but they have a situation where you can compare mutual funds as far as fees and expenses are concerned. You can put 3 mutual funds into this calculator, and it will then spit out a report that tells you what the fee structure is on all of those and how much over a period of time. They usually take a 10-year period, say based upon the fees and expenses involved here, and they're taking all of this stuff right out of the prospectuses from the mutual funds. You can go ahead and determine which one's going to cost you the most. So that's a very good tool. So FINRA is a great website. Like I say, I use it all the time, and it can really give you a lot of information. And it has, just play with the website. It has a ton of great resources in there for you to take a look at.